Hi friends, this is GK Naidu. Today we are going to discuss about the scheduled jobs. So in our scheduled jobs there are five types of schedule. Okay, five types of types are there. So those are the automated the generation and distribution of the report and automatically generate something uh, from the template. Those are the incident and change and CI. And another one is the automate the run script of your choosing. And fourth one is the, so this is also models. Actually these are the models are there, these are the templates. Simply to say that these are the model. Okay, models have been given. So what type of jobs let they do by the help of particular schedule jobs. So and fourth one is the run script to create a report summary table. And another one is the generation and distribution of the custom chart. Those are there. Already we have discussed the first one in earlier class. Now going to see the second one. So automatically generate something. So just have a look here. So in this how we are created the, okay, so regular, that is the second one, automatically generate something from the template. So that is the name of the, so this is the demo job. Okay, application global. Okay, and for schedule jobs that requires an entered time, you have the option to enter the associated time zone. Okay, so just let me take that here, that is the GMT time now. 2:48 p.m. Okay, now so when we create this one daily or so weekly or monthly, what type of reports, okay, what type of job let we do that. So that is the daily. And time zone, so that is the GMT time zone. And already 2:48 is there, so 250 uh, 252 and generate this. So what we do here, that is the which type of, okay, which type of uh, particular template based report let we do. So that is the CMDB based or INC is there or not, let you check here. So password, so incident call type, so that is the which template based let we do the particular schedule job. So that is the major incident or incident call type. Okay, so these are there. And change type, so change, so just have a look here, change. So INC incident call type. So just this is the generate this incident call type. So let we do that. So what we do here, incident call type. So populate the call type field with self service. With self service. Incident call type table incident global system administrator. Okay. So GMT time is the 2 hours 52 minutes. Okay. So conditional. If we are giving the conditional, so then let we give the particular condition. So that condition is if, okay, condition is not needed right now. So if you want to give the condition, that means let me make the particular schedule job when the priority is equals to 1 and state is new. Okay, So whatever the conditions and configuration item or issue is related to this one, so then put it here in our if condition with the glide record method. Just you should also write the one glide record method, just mention that and submit it here. Incident call type, so now updated. So sort z to a, so demo job is there. Okay, scheduled entity generation. So is it reflected while we are created the particular one or not? Let we check through the system log. Yes. 251. Just have a look here. 252. When we are having the 252 GMT, sorry, scheduled jobs. Demo job. So demo job and our time is the 252 here. So but 14. So let we see that 255. Yeah, update. Let we check system logs. So 251.26. Okay, transactions, client transactions. Yes, 255 list is there, rest is there. Rest. So notification and list is there. Days ago and notification and a page timing. Okay, and a session notification. So just have a look here. So we have given that. So that is the our template based generation notification or report. Okay, template based notification. So that is the incident call type. So that is the 255. 255. So that is the when that particular time is triggered. So that is the 1455 on the GMT time. Then trigger the these particular things. Those are the REST API things. That is the notification will also trigger here. Okay, and the timing and the notifications. So especially to that particular work. And now go to see that. So history, sorry, schedule jobs again. So while we are selecting the second data type, so that is the second model. So that is, if when you are creating the, when you are generating the something from the incident type or change type or CMDB CI type, so whatever the details, whatever the particular data is there, so those related notifications are also will send out. And um, okay, not reports actually. So this is the incident related information related to the particular things. So notification, let we pass on the notifications especially to the to this incident and change related and CMDB CI related, configuration item related. So whatever the details are there, so then simply to make the particular job. And now go to the third one, automatically run a script for your choosing. So now this is the testing script base. So this is also daily and time zone is the GMT. Okay, and 15:05 for example, let me take that 15:05. And whatever the notifications, that means for example if you want to create, okay, create the one new record, create the one new record, sir. So just have a look here. So already you know the insertion, insert of the record related, okay, glide record methods. That is the how we are inserted that, where inc equals to new glide record insertion method, new glide record incident, sir, incident inc dot, where is small, inc dot initialize, initialize method. Next inc dot set value, set value, which value, sir? Caller id, caller underscore id, comma. So now go to this session, so that is the transaction session, that is the incident. Now let me take the David Miller related record. So copy the sysid, David Miller. So just control V, sysid, just pass it that, and inc dot again set value, that is the short description, sir. So those are the mandatory fields, short description. So comma, the short description is testing of, testing of script base job. So next inc dot insert, insert method, and next inc dot insert. And if you want to add on the some more fields here, then simply put it here. So that is the inc dot set value or whatever it may be. So you should also place it here. And no need to write the gs dot print. Okay, so if you want to write that gs dot add info message, for example, add info message. So that is the ticket has created, the ticket has created, okay, comma plus inc dot number. గుర్తుందా సార్ ఇది బ్యాక్ టిక్స్ gs dot add info message. Okay, okay, now the time gmt time, so let me check that how much of time now. So 3 2, okay,
fresh mirror, sir.
so 3 2 is there. And now, so this is the glide record method is, so this method is mainly to creating of the new record. So in which table? So that is the incident table. So if you want to create the new record in problem, you should also simply put it here in our problem and change, simply to change underscore request. So which type of record you want to create in particular time, in particular time, that is the this time 15:5. So in particular time, then simply put it here. Okay, so those times, and now just submit it here, just save. So there is some error, could not save the record because of a compile error is there. So what is the compile error here? So that is the backticks has given the some compile error, gs dot add info message. So that is the, yes, but backticks is only working on javascript might be. Okay, codes are there, codes, the ticket has created. Okay, only codes are accepted here. Control X, the ticket has created, comma, no more, comma, error anta. Now just have a look here, format code and save that. Yes, save the record right now. So update it. Okay, so now go to particular time. Okay, just let you check that time. So that is the, how much of time now, 3:05 already done here. So now go and check it here. So that is the system logs, and system log all is there. So 15:1 only. Okay, and so this is there. And transactions, just have a look, system, yes, 15:5, there are some transactions are there, 15:5. So now go to this part, that is the favorite and incident all. So is that record is created or not? Let me check here this place. Condition builder created on today. 2:55. Okay, but our time is different. Let me see that. చూడండి సార్ ఇక్కడ 15:06కి సంథింగ్ ఈజ్ ఎర్రర్ హియర్. 15:06 ఎర్రర్ హ్యాస్ అక్కర్డ్ హియర్. 15:06 there is something an error. 27:3:24 email digest complete processed. Zero error. Okay, this one execution strategy execution 15:1. So this is the 15:1 and this is the 15:6. gs.add info message the ticket has created. Okay, error and with testing of script base. Okay, execute now. So just have a look here. Yes, so that is the testing of script based job 2 has occurred. Okay, so that is the short description is there. So just have a look here. Okay, this is the way to creating of the our direct insertion of the records by the help of, okay, scripting. So scripting with scheduled type. So that is there. Only we should give the short description and caller id, but the caller id is not taking here. So maybe it takes to some while we have mentioned that that value, so it takes to some error might be. That is the this one caller id. Just have a look. Job 3 and caller id is able dot tutor. Insert method initialize current dot sysid. Okay, just execute now. Okay, so testing of script based job 3 is also arrived, but caller is not reflecting while we are mention the particular that caller ID. Caller ID, it's correct. Okay, let it be. So whatever the details have you mentioned in our particular scripting, then those all are reflected in our record. Okay, especially to that. So that is there. So that is the, so the third type. Okay, automatically run a script of your choosing. So whatever the updations, for example, if you want to give the updation based of the scripting, so just you should also mention that scripting. So then it may also simply to reflect the in our, okay, specified type. Okay, automatically generate something. Generate is based on the this particular thing, change cmdb. So basic authority template, change VLNA. Okay, those three are very important, and especially to the second one. So that is the from the template base. So whatever the templates are there in our this method, this reference, so those related details that we get directly by the particular schedule job. Okay, so that is the basic authority or change VLN. Okay, so whatever the things are there, those all are, for example, let me see that change VLAN on a Cisco switch port. So this is the this related thing. Okay, this related thing, let we give the one small reminder on particular time. So that is the VLAN switch port. Okay, on a Cisco switch port. So change the VLAN on a Cisco switch port. So just you should also give the particular specified timings and mention the, okay, so mention it. Okay, so that is the particular time zone. And so this particular details will also reflect it on the in our particular time. So that is also getting the one small notification that switch change of the VLAN on a Cisco switch port. Next, just have a look, and there are some types are already there. That is the automatically run a script to run a to create the report on summary table. So what they are mentioned here in our summary table. So just have a look here. Title, member created, build duration, okay, field and grouping table. Okay. Look up using list. So again, while we are doing the particular thing, that is the scheduled report for summary generation. So that means whatever the summary table. So if you want to sort out the records, that means this is also related to report based. So whatever the details only needed, so in our particular table, so you should write that particular program. So that means the already read, okay, read program is there, okay. So that means just let we use the only queries, add queries, and we should also sort out those records, and by the help of those records let we generate the particular table. So that means the particular report. So those are the details will be mentioned in our script way. So then it may also display that summary, okay. So actually there are no summaries are available in our summary set. So if you want to create the new one, it takes to something. So that is the new record, and all are here seems to be read only mode. Short description is there, and template, that is the state. Priority, PRI, problem, closed, created, domain, duration, location is US. Okay, summary generation point of view, if you want to create the uh, reports related to the your table. So in our table, so let we uh, create the, okay, that table data, that whatever the data is needed from the particular table. So those data, that data will be displayed to the particular group of people on the particular time, okay. So that time, so updations will be also will be available here. So those three are very much important while creating the schedule jobs. Those are the first one is the, so just have a look, automatically generation and distribution of the reports, and something is the from the template based, and third one is the run is the scripting, run script for choosing. So these are the only three types generally we are using here. Okay, these two are let it be. So if you want to explore these two types, so you should also search on the, okay, in our product documentation once. Let me see that.